Hi guys! Ho Philippines is now here at Negosyo Expo 2025. It's one of the biggest negosyo exhibit here at Dagupan City, Pangasinan.
Once again, the expo is officially open. Please feel free to visit our exhibitors, booths, discover business opportunities, and connect with fellow entrepreneurs. Our exhibit. Thank you so much, Mr. Sir Gerard Fisher. Palakpakan po natin.
We are from Hope Philippines Food Cart Franchising and Business Development Services.
So that's a wrap for this event today. Tomorrow again. Thank you. Bye-bye!
Ng Diyos na mahal natin siya. Kasi siya ang unang nagmahal.
We are on the second day of our Negosyo Expo 2025.
Anong binigay sa iyo ni Lord? Anong binigay sa atin ni Lord? Ano? Buhay. May value ba ang buhay mo? Kung gano'n, mga kapatid, commit unto the Lord. Whatever we plan will be successful. Tumayo tayo lahat sa Panginoon.
Ho Philippines Food Cart Franchising and Business Development Services.
Kailangan natin ng helping hands para sa ganon, makastep tayo dun sa first step ng pagninegosyo. Execute to start. Sa harap ng mga future entrepreneurs natin. So galingan nyo sa pag-aaral at galingan nyo sa negosyo. Maraming salamat.
Yes, thank you so much. RCBC, of course. Lucas Steak. Pwede pong waki naman. Waki ngayon. Waki! Hope Philippines Food Cart Franchise and Business Development Services. Point person Ma'am Reveline Fernandez.
It was a very successful 2 days expo. So see you on the next event. Bye-bye!